Hi, I just wanted to show you the winching mechanism in this setup. So this is the higher aspect ratio wing, and as it turns out here, the symmetry of lift at these rotational speeds make this setup, well, it doesn't function very well. You'll see it in a moment. Okay, so here I'm going to winch out the wing so that it sweeps a larger area and potentially enables the setup to be efficient. This is one wing swinging here, it's supposed to be 4 wings, but I'm doing this one step at a time. And here you can see the symmetry of lift versus the centrifugal force, and the symmetry of lift wins, so it starts to aggravate itself more and more, and the centrifugal force is too weak to even it out. That's not a very graceful stop there, but you can see some interesting interaction between the hub and the wing. And I will show you the winching action without the rotation. So it's the speed controller, so I can do this fast or slow. And here you can see part of the mechanism. And I have a wire in the back there during the startup. Before the centrifugal force and the aerodynamic force take over, I need some sort of way to make the wing point forward. Okay, that's all for now. Bye.